Once again, let's talk about Terra Classic USDC. The dream is $1 for the coin to bounce back to $1. Now, currently, this coin is trading at 1 cent, 0.01508 at the time of recording this. Now, Terraform Labs are the highest burner of USDC. They burn about 94.49% of all the total bonds. Okay, yes, they really burn a lot. They burn about 438,873,713 USDC coins. Okay, and this is a lot. This is a lot for me. This is a lot. Now, Terra Classic USDC to $1 is possible, but it will take a very long period of time. This coin currently have about 9.8 billion supply. Okay, 9.8 billion supply. So they have a lot of supply. They have a lot of supply, and this is the reason. Now, even the circulating supply should be around 9.6 billion. So assume they have just like 2 or 3 billion circulating supply. I will have proposed if they can burn the remaining supply, or if they can burn half of the remaining supply. But in this case, this coin, I believe they still have a good project. I believe they can still rise. Anything can happen. But just note that if this coin hit back at $1, a lot of people will make a lot of money, because investing $100 at the time of recording this might be returning over $10,000. Okay, yes, investing $1 will definitely give you 100 coins, and investing $10 will give you about 1,000 coins. $100 will give you about 10,000 coins of USDC. So imagine this coin at $1, or imagine this coin at 50 cents or at 10 cents. So $100, when you hit 10 cents, you'll be making about $1,000 profit. And if it is 5 cents, you'll be making about $500 profit. But I still believe they are still working hard to get this coin back on track, to get this, to make it a complete stable coin. They really want to make it a complete stable coin. So imagine 1 USDC equals to $1. That is the goal. But I still, like I told my friends, I want to buy some coins of USDC. I want to keep it, and I believe if they keep trying, they keep this coin start pumping, definitely I don't need to wait for it to hit $1, but there's a point to reach. I just need to withdraw about 70%, and then I will leave the remaining one to hit $1. Well, please remember, this is not the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.